Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's about 8:30, about 37 degrees. Last night we had a heavy frost. Still see some there in the shadows of the trees. It sure is pretty right now. Got blue skies, got some clouds. I'm hoping it warms up and dries out all this mud we have. Well, looks like I need to get some hay and bring back up here for these goats. Sure is a beautiful day. It's about 3:30 and it's like 53 degrees. This is nice. Okay, they're saying they're hungry. Need a piglet? I need to get rid of some piglets. Too many mouths to feed. Make a good deal. Yep, they're hungry. Okay, Harold, hang on. He's always crying, he's always hungry. Don't eat the gate. Okay, got everybody fed. Harold's sharing his grain with two of Petunia's piglets. Oh, there's another one coming. He's a pretty good pig. So they keep running off as their mother wants to hoard all the food for herself. So she's only got one piglet left over here with her. She ran the other ones off. I don't know why they're all lined up here. You guys got your food. Go eat it. There's a bunch of eggs in there today, but I'm not for sure how many was there from yesterday. Well, looks like I need to get some hay before the weekend. The outside pigs, they're all happy. Their alfalfa and their grain. It's a beautiful day for a drive. Well, it's almost 6 p.m. and it's 49 degrees. It was a great day today. I couldn't ask for a better day for being winter still. I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.